Show is back.
Live and in person.
If you think you know it, think again.
The exhibits.
The conferences.
The conferences within the conferences.
There's so much to see.
And so little time.
So let's make sure you're geared up and ready.
Because NAB Show is ready for you.
Hi, I'm Jules.
I'm Ryan.
And we're content creators.
Filmmakers.
And all around gear geeks.
We're teaming up with NAB Show to help you navigate the ins, outs, and all arounds.
So you can create, connect, and capitalize like a pro.
Whether you're an industry vet or a creator new to the scene, this year's NAB Show is the place to be.
With an entirely reimagined show floor, new specialty pavilions, curated experiences,
And an exhibit hall that starts on Sunday.
you'll have plenty to pack your day.
So you'll want to pack and plan accordingly.
Comfortable clothes
Check.
and shoes
Check.
are key. Of course, comfort is subjective.
Us gear geeks will have plenty of time to get our hands on all the latest toys on the show floor.
So you might want to leave some of that gear at home.
I brought a couple of things, you know, just in case.
Just remember to save some room for clothes, especially if you want to hit the town for an NAB show party.
Right.
You could borrow some of mine.
It's not my size.
Las Vegas is a desert climate,
Hot days, cool nights.
so pack a layer
A water bottle,
and a snack.
and a few more snacks, and a few more. You know, it's a long day.
Food and beverage options are available at the show.
But snacks are great on the go and now.
Don't forget your business cards
Or NFC cards, or QR codes.
and chart a plan of action for the day.
And use the My Show Planner feature online or in the NAB Show app to create a personalized calendar for all your sessions, appointments.
And networking events.
Keep that phone charged
Keep yourself hydrated.
and track those steps, because there's gonna be a lot of them.
Your trainer will be so proud.
Before you head out, don't forget your show badge.
It's your access to the convention halls, plus you get discounts to the monorail.
And various restaurants and venues.
But don't forget your hotel key.
Dang it.
Getting to the Las Vegas Convention Center is easy.
It is?
Depending on where you're staying, you can travel by complimentary shuttle bus, monorail, rideshare, or taxi.
All those sound good.
Or you can walk.
How much further?
Some hotels are within a block away.
Well, let's see. Well, there's a driver about 500 feet away.
We're here.
Oh.
If you don't have a show badge, head to a registration site for pickup.
And make sure to check out the Health and Safety tab on the NAB Show site for up-to-date entry requirements.
Once inside, navigate the show online or with the NAB Show app.
Explore the floor plan, mark your favorites, and search exhibits, product vendors, and all kinds of stuff.
And to spare yourself some legwork, check out one of the guided tours so you can focus on your area of interest.
I'm interested in all the areas. Oh, gotta go.
It pays to plan ahead, so you can spend less time stressing, more time networking and playing and learning and...
NAB Show has been completely reimagined to be more intuitive, with 4 curated collections illustrating the entire content lifecycle.
Create is all things pre-production to post. If you're a maker seeking the latest tools to elevate your storytelling skills, make your way to the North and Central Halls.
North Hall is also home to Capitalize, where content meets commerce. Looking for next-gen technologies to create new revenue streams? You'll find them here.
For distribution and delivery, head to the new West Hall and connect with resources to maximize productivity.
And if you want to immerse yourself in the future of customizing content through data, AI, and automation, Intelligent Content is the place, also in the West Hall. Phew, that's a lot to cover.
You bet it is. To save time and your feet, you can utilize the all-electric, zero-emissions, high-speed Las Vegas Convention Center loop. Reduce a 25-minute cross-campus journey to about 2 minutes.
That's practically time travel. With all the exhibits, education, and networking, you're sure to reconnect with old friends and make some new ones.
There are plenty of official and unofficial NAB show parties and events, so you just never know who you might meet.
Like Stephen
Lester Holt,
Dubner, or Nick
Peter
Cannon,
McKinnon,
or Jim Gaffigan.
Hey, anything is possible, so have your business cards handy.
Or QR codes or NFC cards.
Or those. For more info, head on over to the NAB Show website.
Use the search bar to find specific topics or visit a registration booth on site.
I'm Jules.
I'm Ryan.
And we'll see you at NAB Show.